Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 12th of July 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.08%, settling the day at 39,753.75 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,288.62, falling 1.92%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 41,396.76 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,020.17. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,472, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII sold 1,137.01 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Center to launch 125+ fisheries projects worth over 100 crore rupees in Tamil Nadu. The Red Sea crisis is likely to impact the margins of the auto component industry over the next few quarters amid higher container rates and shipping time, credit ratings agency ICRA said. Now talking about global aspects, Fed Chair Powell expressed concerns about achieving a soft landing for the economy, balancing the cooling of inflation with a still robust labor market. The consumer price index in the United States unexpectedly declined 0.1% month-over-month in June. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US fell by 17,000 from the prior week to 222,000. WTI rose 0.6% to $82.62 a barrel while Brent rose 0.4% to settle at $85.40 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.20. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.22%, up. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, experienced a sharp rebound from their day lows as investors adopted a buy on deep strategy, particularly in energy and FMCG stocks, which showed a long build-up amid the market correction. The Sensex recovered more than 400 points from its day low and settled at 79,897.34. Meanwhile, the Nifty finished the day at 24,315.95, in negative territory. The sectoral landscape remained positive, except for the realty sector experienced a significant correction, while pharma and auto witnessed minor losses. Outlook for the day. The Nifty currently has significant support around the 24,100 levels. A breach of this support could lead to a further decline towards 23,800 levels. On the upside, the index encounters strong resistance near 24,500, close to its historical peak. A close above 24,500 may push the Nifty towards 24,700 levels, while immediate support at 24,150. Bank Nifty, on the upside, the index encounters strong support near 52,000, while 52,200 will act as an immediate support zone. A close above 52,800 could ignite further buying momentum, potentially pushing the index towards the significant resistance level of 53,500. Stocks on radar are Sai, Sequent, Engineers India, Oil, GPPL. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.